Hey guys, Dr. Beard here from shrinkonawire.com. Thanks for joining me again today. Today's episode is brought to you by my Army t-shirt. Thank you, Army t-shirt. Alright, today I'd like to share with you a tale of the Black Death. When I was 19 years old, I went to the Philippines as a missionary. I was just a kid. I had not spent any meaningful amount of time outside of my state, much less my country. I was assigned to serve in the Philippines, and I got there. It had to be within the first 2 weeks I contracted an illness. I woke up one morning to brush my teeth, and I noticed there was some blackness surrounding the edges of my teeth. And then I opened my mouth, and all around the edges of the inside of my mouth was black. My gums were black. I stuck out my tongue, and it was completely black. The contents of my entrails was also black. Now, this is what a doctor told me from the Philippines, that it appears I had hemorrhaged into my digestive tract. The capillaries in my digestive tract burst and coagulated. No, it was some kind of amoebic dysentery that I had contracted. And for the next 2 weeks, I expelled what felt like everything I had ever eaten out of my body. Coming and going, north and south. I was just losing all kinds of fluids. I was miserable for 2 weeks, lost 40 pounds. And here I was, just this kid out in the middle of nowhere. Natives said, "Oh, you've got the Black Death. You've got the Black Death." I beg your pardon? What the heck is the Black Death? It wasn't an illness that was uncommon to them. They obviously had heard of it and seen it before. But so I'm this 19-year-old kid out in the islands, tropical islands, beautiful place, with the Black Death, trying to do my best to help people. I had one of a few choices. I could just feel sorry for myself. Oh, and I did. I could give up. I could go home, because I felt absolutely miserable. Like 100 plus temperature in a non-air conditioned apartment. It's 120 degrees, 99 to 95% humidity every day. Not a lot of wind. A desk fan as my buddy. Mosquitoes, cockroaches, and rats as far as the eye could see. I wanted to go home. Be honest. The third world country where life was distinctly different. Or choice E, F, G. I could say, this is unpleasant, but if I were to go home, I'd be sick. How about I stick this out? So I did. I stuck it out. I got better, and for the next 2 years enjoyed some fantastic experiences. life-changing experiences, experiences that grew me up. So grateful that I had the experiences that I did, and I would pay the price of the Black Death again and again for those experiences. What trials have you waded through to get to your wisdom, to experiences that have strengthened you, that have brought you knowledge? Add them in the comments. I'd love to hear. Please subscribe. Join me on shrinkonawire.com and subscribe there. And all the other social media. It's in the comment box below. Thanks so much for your time. You guys be well. Take care. Thanks.